Welcome to today's video on microbiology. Microbiology is the study of microorganisms, which are tiny living things that cannot be seen with the naked eye. These microorganisms include bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. They are found everywhere, from the depths of the oceans to the air we breathe and even inside our own bodies. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of microbiology and learn how these tiny organisms impact our lives. Let's start with bacteria, which are one of the most well-known and abundant types of microorganisms. Bacteria can be found in various environments, such as soil, water, and even on our skin. While some bacteria are harmful and can cause diseases, others are beneficial. For example, bacteria in our intestines help with digestion and the production of vitamins. In fact, humans have more bacterial cells in their bodies than human cells. Next, we have viruses, which are even smaller than bacteria. Unlike bacteria, viruses are not considered living organisms because they cannot reproduce on their own. Instead, they invade the cells of other organisms and use the host's machinery to replicate. Viruses can cause a wide range of diseases, from the common cold to more serious illnesses like COVID-19. However, not all viruses are harmful. Some viruses play crucial roles in ecosystems, such as infecting and killing harmful bacteria. Moving on to fungi, these organisms can be found in diverse habitats, including soil, plants, and even on our skin. Fungi are responsible for various diseases in plants, animals, and humans. However, they also have many positive impacts. Some fungi help in the decomposition of dead organic matter, while others are used in the production of food, such as bread, cheese, and beer. Additionally, certain fungi produce antibiotics that are used to treat bacterial infections. Lastly, we have protozoa, which are single-celled organisms that can be found in water, soil, and as parasites in other organisms. Protozoa are incredibly diverse and can have different modes of movement, including flagella, cilia, or pseudopods. Some protozoa can cause diseases like malaria and dysentery, while others are harmless and play important roles in aquatic food webs. In conclusion, microbiology is a vast and essential field of study that helps us understand the invisible world of microorganisms. By studying bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa, we can gain valuable insights into their roles in ecosystems, their impact on human health, and their use in various industries. So the next time you see a microscopic organism, remember the incredible world of microbiology behind it.